Hello everyone, I am Niharika Shai, Data Science and Business Analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation, and here I am presenting you the Task 5 of the internship. Task 5 is Exploratory Data Analysis of the Sports Dataset, and our aim is to find out the most successful team, player, and factors contributing to win and loss of a team. And for this we will be using Python. First of all, we will be importing all the important libraries and packages required. The libraries are pandas, numpy, seaborn, matplotlib.pyplot, warnings, and the warnings we have included ignore. Most of these libraries are important for manipulation of the dataset, performing numerical manipulation as well as plotting these datasets. Now we will be reading the datasets. The datasets have been already downloaded in my local directory, and two of the datasets are matches and deliveries. In the command number 2, we have read the CSV file of matches using the command read_CSV, and using the head command, some of the initial tell elements of the datasets are shown so as to have a knowledge what the data contains. In the command number 3, we have read another CSV file, that is deliveries, using the command read_CSV, and the command head is used to display some of the initial elements of the dataset so that we can have a knowledge of the dataset. In the command number 4, we have extracted the information of the dataset matches, and in the command number 5 we have extracted the information of the dataset deliveries. Command number 6 and 7 are used to display the shape, that is number of rows and columns of the datasets, matches and deliveries respectively. You can see that matches contain 765 rows and 18 columns, and the delivery contains 1,79,078 rows and 21 columns. In the command number 8, we have checked if there are any null values in any of the datasets, matches or deliveries. We have found that there are some of the null values present, and we will be removing all these null values so that our plots can be drawn efficiently. In the command number 10, using .drop NA, we have replaced all the null values. In the command number 11 and 12, we have used the command describe to get a statistical summary of the datasets, where we have displayed count, mean, standard deviation, min, max, 25% quartile, 50% quartile, and 75% quartile of the dataset. Now we will be knowing total number of match played and total number of season played in the command number 13. You can see total number of matches played is 756 and seasons are 12. Now we will be analyzing the matches dataset. We are first of all concatenating all the unique teams using the command number 14, and then we are knowing the season with the most number of matches. We have calculated the seasons having the most number of matches, you can see from these values. Now in the command number 16, we have plotted a graph which shows how many matches are played in a season year. The graph has been nearly same all around, exceptional for 2011, 12 and 13 where it is nearly higher. Command number 17 is used to show a graph which shows matches won by each team using the seaborn library and using count plot. You can clearly see that Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians have won most number of matches, and thereby Delhi Capitals, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Rising Pune Super Giants, Kochi Tuskers have won nevertheless no matches. Now we will be using command number 18 to know 10 most top successful players during all of the seasons and to name Chris Gayle, AB de Villiers, D.A. Warner, R.G. Sharma, M.S. Dhoni, Y.K. Pathan, R. Watson, S.K. Raina, G. Gambhir and Mike Hussey. Now we have plotted a graph of the man of the match player using the Seaborn library and bar plot. You can clearly see there are Gayle, de Villiers, Warner, Sharma, Dhoni, Pathan, Watson, Raina, Gambhir, Hussey, with Gayle winning most number of matches. Man of the matches. Command number 21 is used to display the column names in the matches dataset. Now, in the command number 22, we have plotted a graph for the toss decision. You can clearly see that which team chose field and which team chose bat when they won the task in 2018 to 2019. Command number 24 is used to represent the graph between matches and venues. How many venues had how many matches all over the season. The venues are Eden Garden, M. Chinnaswamy, Wankhede, Firoz Shah, Rajiv Gandhi International, M.A. Chidambaram, Savai Mansingh, Punjab Cricket, Maharashtra Cricket and Subhadra Roy. Now we will be plotting another graph to show the toss won by each team using the count plot. You can clearly see the most number of the toss have been won by Mumbai Indians and the least includes Rising Pune Super Giants as well as Kochi Tuskers Galra. Now we have in the command number 26 drawn a pie chart representing a team that had won both matches as well as the toss. The true value represents the teams which have won the task as well as match, and false represent the teams that have won the task but not the match. Now we have plotted a chart showing teams that chose bat first and won by runs. For this we have included the library plot ly.express, and this is the pie chart that shows. And as usual 17.6 is being owned by Mumbai Indians. Now we will be analyzing the deliveries data sets. First of all, we have in the command number 28 known total extra run that will be given all over the seasons, that is 12,004. In the command number 29, we have extracted total number of no ball runs during all the season, 749. In the command number 13, we have known total number of wide runs during all seasons. And in the command number 31, we have known total number of penalty runs during all the season, that is 10. At last, we in the command number 32, we have drawn a graph between the player out and count. You can clearly see this graph that retired hurt, hit wicket and obstructing the field have least number of player out. At the end of this graphs and plots, we have come to a conclusion that most successful teams include Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings, Kolkata Knight Riders, and the most successful players are Chris Gayle, AB de Villiers. And the factor contributing to win and loss of a team depends on toss win, the team chose bat first or not, performance of the team overall. Thank you.